we delve into a riveting Ring doorbell footage that unveils an unsettling incident of trespassing and theft. In this jaw-dropping clip, we witness a brazen individual cunningly finding his way into someone's car, all with the intention of claiming what does not rightfully belong to him. In this Ring doorbell footage, we uncover a thrilling incident involving an attempted car break-in. However, his plan takes an unexpected turn when the car's security alarm starts blaring, forcing the intruder to flee in haste. As the camera captures the scene, a daring man is seen brazenly walking into someone's garage. His eyes are locked on a nearby car, and without hesitation, he makes a move to break in. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is spotted pushing a bike that clearly doesn't belong to him. Watch closely as he attempts to act inconspicuous, but the camera's watchful eye catches every move. A surveillance camera captures the night. A man is seen holding a torchlight as he suspiciously checks a parked cars. It becomes evident that he is on a mission, searching for any valuable items left behind. We delve into this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage. In this unsettling scene, a man is captured on camera suspiciously checking apartment doors, seemingly searching for any unlocked entry points. In this Ring doorbell footage, as the camera captures the scene, a man is spotted suspiciously walking onto someone's porch without the owner's knowledge or permission. The air is filled with uncertainty as we wonder about his intentions and the reason behind his secretive actions. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, As the camera captures the scene, a man is spotted acting suspiciously around a bike that clearly doesn't belong to him. Watch closely as he looks around, seemingly ensuring no one is watching. We uncover a startling incident in this captivating Ring doorbell footage. As the camera captures the scene, a woman is seen pretending to make a call on her phone before sneaking a package from someone's porch.
Okay. Okay, we'll do it. All right, thank you. Okay. She said just grab him and bring him with us.
An alarming scene in this intense Ring doorbell footage. As the camera captures the night, we witness a disturbing scenario unfold. One guy is caught breaking into cars, meticulously searching for and taking valuables, while his accomplice keeps a watchful eye on the road, appearing highly suspicious. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, we are confronted with a chilling sight. A suspicious man, brimming with confidence, boldly breaks into a car and swiftly makes off with all the valuables inside. The tension mounts as we witness his audacious act, seemingly undeterred by any fear of being caught. His swift and calculated moves leave us in awe. In this concerning Ring doorbell footage, we observe a man blatantly taking items from someone's porch without their knowledge or consent. The scene unfolds as we witness the man casually helping himself to belongings that don't belong to him. His actions are brazen and alarming. In this heartwarming Ring doorbell footage, we witness an act of concern and community solidarity. Two ladies are spotted knocking on the door, attempting to alert the property owner to an incident unfolding outside their home. With a sense of urgency and compassion, they seek to bring attention to a situation that requires immediate action.
Move.
In this riveting Ring doorbell footage, we witness a suspicious incident unfold as a man is caught on surveillance camera lurking around an apartment building. The tension rises as we observe his movements, leaving us questioning his motives. Is he an innocent passerby, or could he be up to something more sinister? Hilarious moment in this amusing Ring doorbell footage. As the camera captures the scene, a man, clearly looking a bit tipsy, finds his way to someone's porch in the most comical fashion. The laughter ensues as we watch him navigate his path, demonstrating a combination of funny stumbling and goofy expressions. It's evident that he might have had a bit too much to drink, making his attempt to reach the porch quite an entertaining sight. In this surprising Ring doorbell footage, we witness an unexpected incident unfold as a lady is caught on camera taking flowers and a vase from someone's house frontage. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a man attempts to sneakily break into a car, but luck is not on his side, as the car has been diligently locked by its owner. As we watch with bated breath, the tension builds, wondering if the man will succeed in his illicit endeavor or if he will be thwarted by the car's security measures. In this chilling and suspenseful clip, caught by a vigilant homeowner's Ring doorbell camera, the eerie silence of the midnight hour is disrupted by the sudden appearance of a random man. Cloaked in darkness, the intruder approaches the front door with a sense of urgency, his intentions unknown and his face obscured. The homeowner, who happened to be inside at the time, watches in shock and fear as the events unfold. With adrenaline pumping through his veins, the homeowner musters the courage to confront the intruder, shouting with all his might to deter the unwanted visitor. But just as tension reaches its peak, a series of loud bangs on the door leave both the homeowner and the viewer wondering what might happen next. As the clip ends on a suspenseful note, we are left to ponder the outcome of this mysterious encounter. Will the intruder succeed in gaining entry, or will the homeowner's vigilance be enough to ward him off?
What the fuck, bro? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
In this gripping CCTV footage, the veil of darkness shrouds the scene as a daring thief sets his sights on a store at the dead of night. Masked and nimble, he moves with calculated precision, his every move hidden in the shadows. With stealthy steps, he gains entry into the store, his intentions clear as he targets the valuables inside. As the seconds tick away, the thief wastes no time, swiftly filling his hands with ill-gotten gains. The adrenaline coursing through his veins fuels his escape, and he vanishes into the night, leaving behind a scene of intrusion and violation. In the dead of night, a cloak of darkness descends upon the neighborhood, shrouding the world in eerie silence. Yet, amid this tranquil obscurity, the sinister plot unfolds as two shadowy figures emerge from the abyss. With stealth and cunning, they approach a garage, their intentions concealed beneath the veil of the night. Their movements calculated and precise, they seek entry into the heart of this secluded domain, driven by a clandestine motive known only to them. In this chilling footage, the cover of darkness becomes their ally as they approach the dwelling, their faces obscured, and their motives shrouded in mystery. The night seems to amplify their audacity as they dare to venture into the realm of the unknown. Stealing through the shadows, they target the innocuous shoes left outside, snatching them away like thieves in the night. The air is thick with tension as they seize their prize, their actions swift and calculated. As the world sleeps, a nefarious group of men emerge from the darkness, their faces obscured, their intentions clear. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, the cloak of night provides the perfect cover for their illicit escapade. Like ghosts in the night, they approach their unsuspecting target, a parked car. With ruthless precision, they set their sights on the valuable prize hidden beneath the vehicle, the catalytic converter. In this next clip, an unexpected intruder emerges from the shadows. With a stealthy approach, this thief has a peculiar target in mind, a simple light bulb, innocently illuminating the path of the homeowner. Watch in astonishment as this daring individual makes a move to deprive the house of its light, a surreal act that leaves us questioning their motives and their audacity. What drives someone to snatch a mere light bulb in the darkness? In this strange clip, doorbell camera footage captures the eerie moment when a man attempts to open the front door of a house that does not belong to him. The man with tattered clothes, his shirt stained and weathered, approaches the door with an air of uncertainty. Is he a wanderer lost in the night, seeking shelter from the darkness that surrounds him? Or does he carry secrets, concealed within the depths of his unkempt appearance? In this next clip, two figures, cloaked in darkness, approach the unsuspecting house porch, their eyes fixed on the treasure trove of packages left unattended. Like vultures circling their prey, they pounce with swift precision, snatching the parcels one by one, their crime hidden under the cover of the night. In the shroud of midnight, a mysterious figure emerges, adorned in an eerie dress that sways with each stealthy step. The Ring doorbell camera captures the unsettling scene as this unknown woman approaches the home with an air of secrecy surrounding her every move. As the night conceals her intentions, one can't help but wonder what drives her to venture into the darkness. Is she a lost soul seeking shelter, or does she harbor darker motives hidden beneath her elegant facade? In the dead of night, the Ring doorbell camera captures a bone-chilling sight, a prowler, lurking like a shadow in the darkness. With the moon as their only witness, this mysterious figure roams the backyard of a random house, leaving behind an unsettling aura of uncertainty. As the clock strikes 3:30 a.m., the homeowner remains blissfully unaware of the unwelcome guest outside. But what are the intentions of this nocturnal intruder? Is it mere curiosity that drives them, or is there something far more sinister at play? Under the cloak of darkness, a brazen thief sets his sights on a lawn edger left innocently outside a peaceful home. With the moon as his accomplice, this shadowy figure emerges from the shadows, ready to seize his opportunity. As the clock ticks past midnight, the unsuspecting homeowner rests soundly, unaware of the looming threat just beyond their doorstep. The thief's eyes gleam with mischief as he makes his move, snatching the lawn edger with lightning speed. Under the dim glow of streetlights, the night unveils a peculiar sight. A lone figure staggers and sways, lost in the clutches of intoxication. As the minutes tick past midnight, his unsteady steps guide him towards an unknown destination. The Ring doorbell camera captures this intriguing scene, revealing a man entangled in the intoxicating embrace of alcohol. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, we observe a woman exhibiting suspicious behavior. Her first move is to press the doorbell, almost as if she's attempting to verify the presence of the homeowners before proceeding with what can only be described as an ominous and malevolent act. This gripping clip will make you question what dark intentions lie behind her actions. We witness a man strolling purposefully towards a parked car. As he moves with a vigilant demeanor, it becomes evident that he's not merely passing by. Instead, he seems to be actively surveying both the vehicle and its surroundings. What could be his motive for this surveillance? We catch a lady red-handed as she is exposed by a surveillance camera. With a bold and daring move, she can be seen on someone's porch, reaching out and picking up items. The audacity of her actions raises several questions. What is her intention behind taking these items? In this gripping Ring doorbell recording, we witness a man engaging in a highly suspicious act. With stealthy precision, he opens the porch and carefully takes hold of some documents. The way he conducts himself raises serious concerns about his intentions.
You are currently being recorded.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, our attention is drawn to a suspicious man seen picking something up in a specific neighborhood. With an air of secrecy surrounding his movements, he seems determined to retrieve whatever has caught his interest. In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, we witness a man committing a blatant act of theft, taking what clearly does not belong to him. He brazenly seizes the items, leaving a trail of concern and frustration in his wake. Step into the captivating world of Ring doorbell footage, where every day brings a mix of intrigue, humor, and unexpected moments.
Happy? You have fun? Prepare? What? Again.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I heard my friend Jenny, the child of her mother. Internet, Facebook user, technology.
In this exciting compilation, we have curated an array of interesting and amusing acts captured on camera.
Alright, I'm done. Let's move somehow.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, our attention is drawn to a man standing in front of a house, seemingly lost in thought. As he surveys his surroundings, curiosity takes hold, and he approaches a nearby rack. What unfolds next is a moment of intrigue as he carefully picks something from the rack before quietly departing.
Hello?
Ring doorbell cameras never fail to surprise us, and this instance is no exception. Let's dive into the enigmatic world of doorstep encounters and uncover the story behind the man without clothes picking up clothing and shoes, creating a tale that is both amusing and intriguing. In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, we witness a man committing an act of theft as he brazenly takes bikes parked in front of a house. With a swift and calculated move, he seizes the bikes, showing no concern for their rightful owners. The audacity of his actions raises questions about his motivations and whether he is part of a larger theft scheme. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, we observe a lady behaving inappropriately as she peeps through a door before entering an apartment. Her invasive actions raise concerns about privacy and security, as she seemingly disregards boundaries. What could be her intentions for peering into the door before entering the apartment? In this concerning Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught on camera engaging in suspicious behavior before committing an act of theft. With a cautious glance around to avoid detection, he proceeds to pick up shoes left at the doorstep. His furtive movements raise alarm bells, leaving us to wonder why he chose to take the shoes and what he plans to do with them. Is he acting alone? In this intense Ring doorbell footage, we witness a pair of individuals caught in the act, running away with a sense of urgency and guilt written all over their faces, as if they have just committed an evil deed. Their hurried movements and furtive glances suggest that they know they've been caught red-handed. What nefarious act did they perpetrate, and what drove them to take such drastic actions? We observe a man engaging in suspicious activity as he checks car doors to see if they are open. With a stealthy and methodical approach, he moves from one car to another, attempting to find unlocked doors. This behavior raises concerns about potential theft or unauthorized access to vehicles in the area. In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, we witness a man attempting to test his luck by trying to break into a vehicle. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, we observe a man standing in front of a door with a touch light in hand, seemingly on a quest to find something. His determined search raises questions about what he could be looking for and why he has chosen this particular location. Is he a resident searching for misplaced belongings, or is he a stranger with a different purpose in mind? We observe a man approaching a door and knocking before looking around cautiously. The man's behavior raises curiosity about his intentions. His glances in different directions suggest he might be checking for any potential witnesses or surveillance. In this jaw-dropping clip, a man attempts to check if a car door is open, while another acts as a lookout, keeping an eye on the road. Their coordinated efforts and cautious demeanor raise serious concerns about potential theft or unauthorized access to the vehicle. In situations where someone is looking inside a car suspiciously, their behavior can be indicative of several potential motives or intentions. Some of the reasons for such suspicious actions may include potential theft. The person might be attempting to identify valuable items inside the car with the intent to steal them. In this distressing Ring doorbell footage, we witness a man attempting to force open a house door. His forceful actions raise immediate alarm, as he displays clear intent to gain unauthorized entry into the residence. In this alarming Ring doorbell footage, we observe a man walking into someone's front door with a suspicious demeanor. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.